Hey guys, welcome to MotorcycleDen, and today we are installing Benlari's Mid Frame Air Deflectors. We're going to replace this with a gloss black. It should be an easy install, I hope, and hopefully you guys like the change. I think it's going to blend in a lot better. This is kind of just a matte look. I think the gloss black will look a little better. Match some of the gloss black that's already on the bike. Okay guys, I wanted to show you up underneath this air deflector. Looks like we're going to be replacing two bolts. One of them is right there behind that like zip tie type thing. And we'll be able to pull this wire right out of this clip here. And then the other one, the other bolt is down here at the bottom, right here. I think after getting both of those out, we will be able to pull it off and put the new one on. So let's get to it. First I'll pull this spark plug wire out of that little clip. Get that undone and out of the way. And loosen up these two bolts. It looks like the top one, I may have to use an opening wrench to get to it, or box wrench or something. But the bottom one I'll be able to get to with a ratchet. It takes a 7/16. Always try to pay attention to how tight things are when I take them off. And it was just snug, really. It wasn't that tight. But whatever it's threaded into, it feels snug. I wonder if they have some type of Loctite or something on it. Looks like they did have something on the threads there. Okay, now to get up in there with the 7/16 wrench. I don't have very good feeling in my right hand. So, taking another bolt out when I can't see where I'm touching can be pretty difficult for me. It's hot, guys. It's like 93. Humidity's up there. Yeah, it's not coming out by hand. If you guys have like a regular street glide or road glide, I'm not sure if these come on it, but they are nice to have. Definitely keeps the heat off your legs. Okay, it's coming out now. All right, so and it's about an 1/8 inch thick. It's decent quality there from Harley. Here are the two side by side. I'll tell you what, man, that looks nice, guys. Like I said, this is from Benlari. Oh, I am impressed. It is very close to the same thickness, very stout. They're marked right. I don't know if you can see it, but this has an R on it for your right side, left side. I mean, you really can't get them mixed up. Has a clip in it for the spark plug wire. Yeah, it should fit in there just like that. It's gonna look good. I like it. So let's get this thing installed. Guys, I did want to mention here, Benlari does send you with a bag. Has the bolts, washers. I think for previous years comes with some of these little spring clips, if you can see it, and then there's like an couple inserts they send also. I'm just going to reuse what was there, but if you buy a set and your bike didn't come with it, you will probably need to use these. And they look like they're stainless steel. They're not marked, and I didn't check them with a magnet or anything, but they definitely look like they're stainless. So I mean, nice quality. So, which I'm impressed, really. Okay, that top one's close. Now let's get the bottom one. Okay, put this wire back in this clip. There we go. And guys, that one is on. What do you think, guys? I definitely like it. I like the looks of it. I think it looks a lot better. Definitely has a different look to it with that gloss black there. But like I said, it comes with all the nuts, bolts that you would need. The other side should be the exact same. And yeah, easy install, guys. Let me know what you guys think. I'll put a link in the description below where you can go check them out for yourself. And yeah, for $32, I mean, some of the other ones are really up there in price.